Word to the wise, do this hike with somebody.
I feel like I'm the only one out here. I thought it was a bear.
Oh, wow. No kidding.
What?
There.
Where?
Right there.
All right, last day. Didn't feel like cooking. Everything here's half off. It's the last day for Glacier National Park. Got this half off. Orange juice, half off. Snacks, steak bites. You can see that, a little dark. Cashews. Extreme cayenne pepper almond. And some chocolate. Yeah, it's the last day, Sunday. That's the date. Got a little souvenir here too. I don't know if you can see that. This wasn't half off. This place is terrific. We're gonna go hike something called Grinnell hike.
Swami, Slippy, Slappy, Swanson?
Maybe it's on the briefcase. Look on the...
Oh, yeah, it's right here. Samsonite. I was way off.
It's a pretty long hike, about 8 miles, but I hear it's worth it. We'll see you at the trailhead. This was a hike to get out of here, I'll tell you that. All the way through the park and off.
I have my bear spray. I feel like I'm the only one out here. kind of double timing it. So I'm not hiking back in the dark. Oh, hey buddy. Oh, I thought it was a bear. That scared me. A little less than an hour to go. Thanks. Oh boy. Oh. Sweaty. More stairs. They rock. Probably one of the coolest hikes I've ever done. We're close. Oh, there's a steep staircase at the end. Oh. Definitely one of the coolest hikes I've been on. I can say for sure. Oh, here comes the staircase. It's the last stretch, I believe. You can see the lakes lining up here. Bing, bam, boom. Beautiful. There's the Glacier. Whew, home stretch. Just up over the ridge, I believe. Spray check. I got a knife too. Oh wow.
Oh, wow.
What?
There.
Where?
Right there.
I ain't never seen one.
Yeah, me either. It's the first time.
Where?
I got
That's
it.
a big bear.
I got
That's
it.
a big bear.
I got
That's
it.
a big bear.
Oh good, he's going the other way.
The wind came by and he lifted his nose up because we're upwind of him, so he can smell us.
Yeah.
He can?
That's what we want. And to ask you guys with the other. Yes, absolutely. That glacier backdrop. You look great.
Thanks.
Let's go.
Pepper spray.
Let's get the hell out of here.
Right now, it's not in a hurry, and that's exactly what we want.
Well, I better enjoy this view because there's a bear right there making his way where we gotta go. We gotta go. Let's get the hell out of here. That was gnarly. The bear. He was getting a little too close. Might not look like it on the GoPro, but he was close. Closer than, I'd say, less than 100 yards. 100 yards at least. I don't know. Close enough. Just gotta stay alert. About a 2-hour trip back down. Word to the wise, do this hike with somebody. At the very end, I ended up taking a wrong turn, and I ended up, I don't know how I did that, but instead of going towards the trailhead beginning, I ended up over at the mini Glacier area. If you're familiar with the area, the hotel's over there. I ended up coming across another huge grizzly. I took a turn, came around the corner. Luckily, there was a stream between us. I broke out the spray, I broke up the knife. I mean, I did not even think about the GoPro. And I ended up making my way out towards the Many Glacier Hotel. There was one RV there, a guy and his daughter and dogs, and they saved me. They drove me over to where I was parked. So beware, stay sharp, and don't go alone.